We are pleased to show you the 2010 Mountaineer. With room for up to 7 and abundant and versatile cargo room, the Mercury Mountaineer is extremely accommodating. And because safety is critical, Mountaineer is equipped with accident avoidance features such as advanced track with roll stability control, which can help you maintain control in adverse road conditions. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, roof rack, leather upholstery, sync, satellite communications, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.